Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful twisted side bun hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting, and all we're going to do is take all the hair from the ear forwards on the left hand side, bring this around to the back of the head, and using your finger gently twist it towards the head so you've created a tunnel. And then all we're going to do is push this against the head and slip a bobby pin through that tunnel of hair so you can't see it. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side. So take all the hair from the ear forward, bring it around to the back of the head, use your finger to twist that hair towards the head to create a tunnel, and slip your bobby pin through that tunnel to secure it to the head. Next, apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. Now we're going to sweep all of the hair towards the right hand side, and we're going to create a line of bobby pins running from the bottom left hand corner diagonally up to the right hand side. Now we're going to take a small chunk of hair from the right hand side of the head, we're going to bring this over to the left hand side, and we're going to twist it around our finger again to create that tunnel. Then we're just going to slip a bobby pin through the hair using the bobby pins underneath to anchor it to the head. Taking the remaining hair, we're going to create a rope braid, so split the hair in half, twist both sections to the right hand side, and then we're going to cross the right hand strand over the left hand strand. Continue braiding the hair this way until you reach the end and secure it with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, pull the tail ends only halfway through to create a small loop. Now all we're going to do is bring that rope braid up to the left hand side and over that little section we've just pinned, and there should be a little gap where you can tuck the ends in so you can't see them, and then just secure that rope braid to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply a little more texture spray to the rope braid and gently use your fingers to pinch and pull to create more volume. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.